And
I thought it was over. I thought it was over. I made like a fuck, we're done video, and then a week later I was like, psych, we're back. Like
no, it was crazy. I mean, I personally, I was delusional at that time, so I actually thought there's no way it's over. But I definitely was not feeling great about it because I had no system about to analyze the price action. So I was blindly sort of buying the dips, especially on majors. But at the time, right, I mean, I did cash out a significant portion of a lot of my on-chain investments. I mean, investments, if you can even call them that. It was a lot of just dog coins, just like all random shit coins. But I literally I left curve those so hard. And I think that idea of left curving adapted throughout my time in crypto. But I think this meme sort of stood out to me. Your audience probably knows what it is. It's basically that like meme of the bell curve where you have like the, people on the left side of the curve, which are people, who are just not sophisticated at all.
We know the bell curve meme. We all know it.
Yeah. And there's people in the mid curve who like are constantly like overthinking things and question things. People on the right hand of the curve, very sophisticated, very knowledgeable. People on the left and the right think the same things, usually for different reasons. People in the mid curve, they just overthink and don't even take any action. But this is like really stuck with me for so long, this framework, because it's allowed me to apply this in many aspects of life. Like for any decision that I make, it doesn't take me longer than like 20 seconds to say like, yes, I will do it, or like, no, I won't. There's no overthinking.